Hello friends, today we are going to learn and write how to make sentences. So let's start. First, eat. Did you eat your lunch? Did you eat your lunch? Second, must. You must brush your teeth. You must brush your teeth. 3. White. This car is white. This car is white. Number 4. Our. This is our house. This is our house. Number 5. New. I have a new bag. I have a new bag. Number 6. Like. I like to read books. I like to read books. Number 7. Birds. Birds fly in the sky. Birds fly in the sky. Number 8. Dog. Dog is a pet animal. Dog is a pet animal. Number 9. Pen. I write with a pen. I write with a pen. Number 10. East. The sun rises in the east. The sun rises in the east. Number 11. Go. They do not go to school. They do not go to school. Number 12. Eat. I do not eat mangoes. I do not eat mangoes. Number 13. Book. This is my book. This is my book. Number 14. House. My house is very big. My house is very big. Number 15. Sad. The movie was very sad. The movie was very sad. Thanks for watching.